Hey guys, welcome back to Yellows TV, and today I'm gonna be making fluffy slime. So first, you need glue. So I'm gonna put the glue. So wait, I'm gonna put it.
Is it gonna be hard? How much?
So this is the glue.
Straight down.
That's
One
the
more?
glue.
Or that's enough? No, that's enough.
Oh, but
A little bit of water?
That's a little bit. Look, guys, that's a little bit.
Because then you're gonna put foam, remember?
Oh,
Shouldn't be.
so then you're gonna need some
A little
water.
bit. Like that.
And the next step, mix. Now you're gonna add your food coloring.
Are you recording?
Yes, look. Where do I put this? Not on there. No! I use turquoise and I want it there.
Put a little bit more. Because with the foam, it's going to get lighter.
That's why I want it light.
Ah, okay, that's enough.
Here you go. And then mix. Ooh,
That's a nice color.
I love it, guys. Ah, yeah. I wish you could see it. Look, guys, look how pretty it is. It reminds me of the blue apple sauce they give at school sometimes.
So what's next?
What is next?
The foam?
No, wait. I think so, cause that's like. Wait, wasn't it the solution?
No, that was at the end.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, cause yeah.
Okay, ready?
So I'm gonna put it.
Do you know how much? Put it here.
Nobody can tell me when to stop.
I don't even know.
So
More?
is it the same
A little bit
thing?
more? There.
Mix, right? Look how good it is. Yay! It looks so pretty right now, guys. I wish you could actually see it in person because it's way more beautiful in person.
Keep mixing. More.
Look it. My hand's so tired.
You're tired? Hold it with the other hand.
I'm right-handed, Mom.
Doctor returns Monday, January 14th on ABC.
Ready?
So now you're gonna add some.
Just a little bit.
You can add some borax or baking soda.
Mix.
And then you're gonna mix, mama, mix.
Mix. Don't stop.
I don't know, guys, if you've heard about the house that has a lot of Christmas lights. It lives in my house. You put some on
Keep
me.
mixing.
You put some on me.
It was a mistake.
Oh, yeah.
An accident. Keep mixing. I think it's taking shape.
Yeah, it's kind of getting thicker, guys. But right now it's beautiful. I guess. Guys, slime is all about getting dirty, so don't be like, ew! Oh,
It's okay. You're gonna get dirty. Ready?
huh? So we mixed it and all that stuff, and we got this consistency. It's like super flowy. Put it, and look. that's how it is. So next, you need to add the glitter if you want to. I'm gonna add this. The music notes, but first, I'm gonna add some yellow stars. Then I'm gonna add some turquoise stars.
Don't throw them on the floor.
I know.
Move them so they can see it. Move the glitter.
Oh. So this is hot lips.
Wow, so
And
shiny.
I'm gonna add some golden music notes. Golden pinkish. Then I'm gonna add some golden
Music
pinkish
notes.
Music notes. Hey. And then we got some little pom-poms.
Open it like this.
So next we need to fold the slime. Ooh, look how pretty it looks. So you just gotta keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it until you get the perfect slime you want. So yeah, this is my fluffy slime. And a little while ago, it did like a little fart noise when we were stretching, and it was like. So that's gonna be it for my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.